In this simple example, I want to explain how to create such a this movement. We use a cloner and a rate setting to create this automatic animation on the path that you want. Let's begin. Okay, and in this lesson, I want to give you an example about how to, for example, sorry, we have a plane and how we can animating this umbrella under this plane. You can make it darker. Okay, going to the plane. I want to use the cloner to animating this umbrella automatically on these edges. For beginning that, go into the plane and have the segment. Yeah, that's better. And make it editable because we want to convert these edges to the spline. Go to the one of the component spline, Control A to select all of them. Okay, because if you select nothing, you cannot change anything. If you right click, go down, edge to a spline. And now you can see we have an spline plane here. So you can make it drag and drop. And if you go to model mode, you can see this is our spline. And we want to clone the umbrella on this spline. This is on our umbrella, if you're holding Alt and clone it. But if you select the cloner in the object mode, you drag and drop this plane here. This is on vice versa. You can go into the transfer and make it. It's not important. But as you can see, the option that we want, it's the rate to animating does not appear here because it does not recognize the path to work. Instead of that, you can clear that. And instead of the plane, we have to introduce the object this instead of that plane, the spline that we created. And as you can see, they are now going to the spline and the rate variation will be happening. This rate, if you clone your object in a cloner in a spline, will be appear. Okay. This is our cloner. So we can go to the transfer, for example, 90-degree here. All of them go up. Nice. Go to the and make the count down. Better. And that's it. And be careful about that. If you change the position of the that spline or connecting to that, you can bring it exactly on it. This nice. And for better thing, you can turn it off from view. And now, if you go to the cloner and change the rate and then play, as you can see, there are if you go increase that number, we have more speed. If you decrease it, we have a small movement. As you can see, it's very interesting. So if as you can see, all of the objects are moving at the same speed, but here you can change the rate variation. As you can see, any umbrella is going, and you can change the randomness. An interesting part of that is if you go to this spline and change, for example, select this point and change that point. Sorry. As you can see, they are going from this direction. Make it up. As you can see, this umbrella is going exactly up. Or making here. Interesting. So they are moving. We have 2 points here, the point in this direction, the point in this direction. If you convert the edge to a spline, be careful about duplicate edges and duplicate points. Oh, as you can see, if you make it a very high number, the direction of the that will be changed. Be careful about the changing position. Okay, this is a nice example. So if you assign an object spline as an object, this option will be appear. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.